Okay, which is the inverse of this statement? Okay, let's remember, we have a conditional statement is P, if P, then Q. The converse of the conditional statement is if Q, then P. The inverse is not P, implies if not P, then not Q. And the last one, which you could get asked about, is that it's wrong. The contrapositive, which is not Q, then not P. So we're being asked to find the inverse. So let's see what we've got here. Which is the inverse of the following? If the measure of an angle is 90 degrees, then it is a right angle. Right? So here's our P. If the measure of an angle is 90 degrees, that's our P. Then it is a right angle, that's our Q. So we would expect somewhere in these four statements to have not P, then not Q. If the measure of an angle is not 90 degrees, then it is not a right angle. It may be said exactly that way, or maybe it'll be something close to it. Let's look. Letter A. If the measure of an angle is not 90 degrees, then it is not a right angle. Okay, well, that's exactly what we were looking for. Right, what are these others? If the measure of an angle is not 90 degrees, then it is a right angle. That is not P implies Q. That's not good. If an angle is not a right angle, then its measure is not 90. That sounds like the contrapositive. Not Q, then not P. If an angle is a right angle, then its measure is 90. That sounds like the converse. If Q, then P. But again, we were looking for the inverse, and that was A.